Hi, this is Dominic from Paphos Life, and I'm down in Old Town tonight. As promised, I've finally come when it's busy at night. Obviously this little bit isn't quite so busy. I'm expecting it to be a lot busier than what we've seen in previous films. Go down to Ibrahim's Khan first of all. This place is normally busy during the day. It's interesting to see it quite empty at night. I'm most curious about the places near Kennedy Square though, to be honest. I'll slow down a bit here, just give the camera a chance to take in the scene. I thought there was a show on, but where the local youth hang out at the outdoor market. There's Stephanie Rose cakes, Oggy pasta. It's nice now that I've written the articles for the latest guide to 2023, Old Town rather. I know what to expect from all the eateries. Oh, that pizza looks good. Right, here's Aphrodite's children up ahead. Shame they haven't got a little light illuminating it really. And this is that craft beer place. Back to the car to go. It's a lovely moon tonight. I have to say I'm feeling old. I'd have loved places like that back in the day. Oh, little kitties there. Now, if this was during the day, I'd head across the park here and go and visit Evie at Pumpkin House. I'm fairly certain she won't be open. Part-timer. So we can go and explore what's here. Sorry, I'll adjust myself there. Ooh. I'll walk around and come up that from the other way, I think, because I know that I can now. And that'll make me miss the main drag, so we could come back that route. You see, they do get busy at night time, like I've been telling you. Go this route first. Now with any luck, just up here there'll be a very pretty purple corridor. I say with any luck because last time I was here, there's Kathikas. The last time I was here the lights weren't working. Hopefully someone's put 10p in the meter. Well, it looks like they are. Let's go in and see. Oh. Well, not as impressive as they used to be, I have to say. Only one side seems to be the purple I was hoping for. But siga siga, as they say, I get prepared slowly. So, let's see what Kennedy Square's like. Then I'll head back to the market area, because there's a kebab place there I might have to visit. See, Kennedy Square looks fairly quiet compared to what we've just been through. It's interesting. Hello.
Channel?
Pardon?
Channel?
My own one. Paphos Life. Oh, the fountain is working. It's not very high. Now this is a good test because I'll be down here when the Christmas lights go up. So I'll be curious to see how this comes out. We got the nice white light here anyway, so that's a plus. I suppose I should go and see the fountain while I'm here. I'm going that way, so I'm going this way. Here we go. Whee! Should we do an artistic view from the other side? So, that's a fair chunk of Old Town I just showed you at night. And I hope you can see that I wasn't lying when I said it is a bit busier. A lot busier at night. I'm going to walk back through and go and get myself that kebab I saw. Oh, might have timed it just right for the lights. Yes, the lights are green. I get pleasure out of the little things in life. Oh, gone red again. That didn't take long. It's a Floyd. Boulevard Resto Bar seems to be nice and popular. There's the alley again. Get your ice creams here. To meet that on the cold night. That's Mum's falafel. And up here's Leona. I'll go this way, I think. Let's go and check out the green living wall. Oh, this is that rum and rum and tug, but that's not what it's called. Rum and jam. Oh, this place is all closed up here, which is a shame. Obviously a day place. I do like places to make an effort though. This place is busy during the day. For my final walk, I'll just go up this street and along. A bit of a diversion, but it looks quite busy. Where we went at the start. When I can recognise the music, they're not that hip. So during the day you wouldn't know that place was popular. Go this way. Wolves are playing Newcastle and it's 2-2. That's about the beginning and end of as much as I care about that match. So not only can we see where's open now, but we can also see what the places are, because I've seen the seating before, I hadn't been able to associate it with a restaurant. Big screen through there as well for some reason. Assuming that's just an advert. It's going to get noisy now, I'm afraid. There's burger stories. I do hear good things about their burgers. Well, I'm going to cut through just here. I seem to remember there's a shisha bar or something. It doesn't look like it's open. Oh, it is. And we're coming back to where we left the car. The question is, where do I stop filming? Oh. Oh, that place is open down there. That's as good a place as any to end. Oh, I you can get out of here. I was beginning to think you couldn't. They look like they just opened again. Of course, when I did my daylight film here a couple of weeks ago, they were definitely closed still. Anyway, that'll do for tonight, I think. So that's what the old town is like at night. Cheers.